Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about how to connect to the MongoDB. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is basically pymongo. Okay, so we have to install this package pip installed pymongo. Okay, so let's use this code. This is the simple straightforward code. Just add it okay into your code base. So this is a previous code is for Postgres, which we have done the Postgres also, MySQL also. Now we have MongoDB. Okay, let's go and check the connection. This is the connection string, localhost, this is our port. If you have the username password, you can also attach, and this is your database. So any database you want to connect, you can write it over here like REST API or something. If it is not, I think it will create that one. Okay, that's done. Let's run the file and connect it to the MongoDB. And there is something error, database objects do not implement the truth values of testing or bool. Please compare with the none instead of database is not none. Okay, so here you can see that the if db, that is the issue in that one. If db perform the actions of the database. Okay, depends upon to you. Otherwise if you go with the data connection, and here you can see that the connected to the MongoDB, right? So this will help you to connect to the MongoDB. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.